Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Finelo stock market model. Just quickly dive into it. So if you're learning the stock market on Finelo, the exploring the stock market model is the key starting point. It has 4 chapters, 7 lessons covering stock basics, market mechanisms and indices, and also it helps you manage volatility. So the lessons are beginners friendly and paired with stimulators, so you can practice what you learn without risking real money. Keep in mind that the module is strictly educational. It doesn't let you make real trade. It is designed to build your knowledge and confidence before you invest your fund. And if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick app review, and comment with Finelo model you want me to cover next. And that's it.